Have you ever wondered what to do if you're falsely arrested? It's a situation no one wants to find themselves in, but understanding your rights and knowing the steps to take is crucial. Today, we're going to delve into the topic of false arrest, from remaining calm and cooperative during the arrest to seeking legal counsel. However, bear in mind that this is general advice, not legal counsel. Remember, it's crucial to consult with an attorney for legal advice specific to your situation. The immediate reaction to an arrest can significantly impact your case. The moment of arrest can be immensely stressful, but it's crucial to stay as calm as possible. Even if you believe the arrest is wrongful, resisting or becoming confrontational can only complicate things further and potentially lead to more legal problems. At the same time, it's important to cooperate with law enforcement. By providing your identification and not obstructing their duties, you help to avoid any additional charges. This doesn't mean you're agreeing with the arrest or admitting guilt, but rather maintaining a cooperative stance to prevent further complications. But perhaps the most critical aspect of this immediate response phase is knowing your rights. You have the right to remain silent, and you have the right to an attorney. These are not just phrases from a police drama, they're fundamental rights designed to protect you. While it's essential to cooperate, remember you have the right to remain silent until you've consulted with an attorney. The information you gather can greatly help your case. When faced with a situation of false arrest, your memory becomes an invaluable tool. Try to recall as many details as possible about the circumstances leading up to the arrest, the actions of the arresting officers and any witnesses present. The more you remember, the more resources your legal team will have to build a solid defense. However, memory isn't the only thing you should rely on. It's vital to consult with a legal professional as soon as you can. A criminal defense attorney can provide guidance on your options and help you navigate the legal process. They are equipped to handle the complexities of false arrest cases and can review all the information you've gathered to strategize the best course of action for your defense. Remember, each situation is unique, and the legal landscape varies by jurisdiction. An attorney specializing in criminal defense can guide you through the legal process and help build a strong defense. After the arrest, there are several steps you may want to consider. One of these is the possibility of bail or release. Depending on the charges and the circumstances, you may be eligible for release on bail or your own recognizance, also known as ROR. An attorney can guide you through this process, helping you understand the requirements and the potential implications. Next, your attorney can request what is known as legal discovery. This is the evidence that the prosecution plans to use against you. By reviewing this evidence, your attorney can start to build a strong defense, identifying any inconsistencies or weaknesses in the prosecution's case. In some instances, you may consider filing a complaint. If you believe the arrest was wrongful and involved police misconduct, you can file a complaint with the law enforcement agency involved. This can be a daunting process, but your attorney can help you navigate it. Finally, if you believe your civil rights have been violated, including your Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures, you could consider seeking legal action against those responsible for the false arrest. This is a serious step, and it's crucial to consult with a civil rights attorney who can help you weigh the potential benefits and risks. False arrest cases can be complex and vary by jurisdiction, hence the importance of consulting with an experienced attorney. They can assess your specific situation, advise you on the best course of action, and represent you in any legal proceedings. False arrests can be a frightening experience, but knowing what to do can make a difference. In the midst of such a situation, remember the importance of remaining calm and cooperating with law enforcement. Know your rights, especially your right to remain silent and to an attorney. As soon as possible, gather as much information as you can about the arrest and the circumstances leading up to it. Obtain legal representation, preferably from an attorney who specializes in criminal defense. Depending on the charges and circumstances, consider the options of bail or release. Your attorney can assist you with this, as well as with requesting legal discovery from the prosecution. If you believe that the arrest was wrongful, you might want to consider filing a complaint or seeking legal action. Throughout this process, document everything. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a qualified attorney to discuss your rights and options in more detail.